David, you are being arrogant. Here, the word
you are arrogant, not me. You now try to prove your Allah. You try to prove your Allah. He don't know what he's saying, and you try to correct your Allah.
Does not have physical attributes.
So your Allah, what he said? Your Allah, he said, what I create with my care, David, or with my hand.
You are not from Ahl al-Tafsir to give
so
them.
So your Allah, no, I read it, your Ahl al-Tafsir, all of them. I read it and I have a physical book.
You are not a scholar, David.
So not me, but I have a physical book.
David, you can read as many books as you want. Doesn't mean when you read you understand. That's your issue.
Hello.
You read, but you don't understand.
Hello.
I can see. Hello.
So now here, your Allah said, what I create with my hand or with my care?
It means by ri'ayati wa inayati. That's what.
Where? Who said by ri'ayati? You are not a scholar, brother.
I'm not a scholar, but alhamdulillah, I have learnt, and I can tell you what we have learnt.
Who said that? You have learned from whom? Who said that?
Is wrong. That's from the teachings of Ahl al-Sunnah wal Jama'ah, not the mushabbiha that you've got.
Hello? Who said that?
David, that's the teaching of Ahl al-Sunnah wal Jama'ah.
Who said that?
David, that is the teaching of Ahl al-Sunnah wal Jama'ah.
Who said that? Ahl al-Sunnah said hands. Imam Ahmad didn't deny it. Imam al-Zahabi didn't deny it. Imam al-Daraqutni didn't deny it. Imam al-Awza'i didn't deny it.
Stop throwing names.
Even Imam al-Nawawi, he is Ash'ari, he proved Muhammad saw Allah in a physical body.
Except you and the mushabbiha like you. Do you understand? You,
which means your Muhammad is a mushabbiha. He's a kafir.
Creations like the mushabbiha.
So which means, which means Muhammad is mushabbiha, kafir.
No, he's not. You are the kafir.
So Muhammad, he said, he saw your Allah as a perfect image.
Calm down, please,
and
bro.
Allah placed his hand between Muhammad's shoulder.
David, I'm going to say
it
again.
Muhammad mushabbiha kafir. Thank you so much.
No, David. هو الذي أنزل عليك القرآن منه آيات محكمات هن أم الكتاب.
Read it in English.
Let me explain. I'm going to.
So what does that mean? I'm asking you, what do you eating today? You said my car is a Dodge. Bro,
it means Allah
bring a verse according the topic. Bring a verse according the topic, Habibi. I'm asking you, what do you eating? You said my car is Mercedes.
What are you talking about?
Bring a verse according the topic. The topic is about your Allah hand. I'm not asking your Quran is corrupted or not to bring that verse for me. I'm asking about your Allah's hand.
Allah
because you said you are not mushabbiha, which means you are not kafir. How about your Prophet Muhammad when he said Allah placed his hand between Muhammad's shoulder, which means Muhammad mushabbiha kafir?
That is false. That is not true. Stop making things up.
That is not true. Come to share with you. Is it true or not?
Don't show me Sheikh Google.
Come to show you. Come to show you. Right? And I will, because he claimed to know Arabic. I will show it in Arabic and I will translate it for you to English, and I will bring it from English side too. What is this hadith? Rawi Abdullah bin Abbas. Come from Mecca. Come from Mecca. Come back from Google. Hello? Yes. Now here read it. Rawi what? Abdullah bin Abbas. Al-Muhaddith who? Sheikh Al-Albani.
He is not.
The hadith is what?
David, Al-Albani is
the hadith is what?
Stop
hello?
Hello?
So which means Abdullah bin Abbas is mushabbiha kafir?
No. Al-Albani is.
Abdullah bin Abbas, he said the hadith.
He's the mushabbih like you.
Abdullah bin Abbas is a mushabbih kafir?
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Wow.
He's the cousin of
Come
the
read
Prophet.
this.
What you're reading is false.
Read this. What he said? Allah came to me in a perfect image. right?
You're reading.
And he said, "Oh Muhammad, do you know what's happening in heaven?" He said, "No, oh my Lord." Till he placed his hand between my shoulder, till I feel coolness in my chest. What kind of hand your Allah placed it between Muhammad's shoulder is metaphorical, right? Let me give you another hadith. Come. This is also Mu'adh ibn Jabal, companion of Muhammad. He is a mushabbiha kafir too. Thank you so much. Your companion now, two companion is mushabbiha kuffar.
They are not mushabbiha like you know.
So Mu'adh ibn Jabal from Sahaba, companion, right? He brings this hadith, an authentic hadith. What he said here? Ya Muhammad, قلت ربي لبيك قال فيما يختصم الملأ الأعلى. What's going on there? He said, I don't know, my Lord. He said 3 times, till Allah put his put his hand between my shoulders till I feel coolness in my. So now, according to you, the companion of Muhammad and the narrator of the Quran, the author of the Quran, Abdullah bin Abbas, is mushabbiha, kuffar, wal-iyazu billah.
That is not Quran, David.
Uh-oh. So now there is no Quran.
And
we run away. You run away from the Quran.
I'm not running away.
And I bring it to you from authentic hadith. And now you said it's not a Quran. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So according to your Prophet Muhammad now.
That's your issue.
Hello. According to your Prophet Muhammad in authentic hadith. 2 hadith authentic.
That's enough for you. Hadith. You are mistaken. You are making that
Allah when put his hand between Muhammad's shoulders. What kind of hand? What kind of hand? Hello.
No Muslim believes that. No Muslim believes that.
Prove it, yalla. I prove it for you is authentic hadith. Go prove it is incorrect. Yeah, you have a chance.
The Quran and the hadith do not contradict each other. They complement each other, just like the verses of the Quran.
For that, the Quran prove it. So Allah's hand create Adam with his hand.
Do not attribute to Allah the attribute of the creation. David, you're not letting me speak now. I listen to you talk now. Someone stopping me.
No, you are not listening any time. You are not listening.
To you again until you finish.
So now Quran, I bring it for you the verse.
You asked me, David,
Muhammad,
you don't know how to
Allah
debate.
said he created Adam with his hand. You said the hand is not a physical. I bring it hadith for you from Muhammad.
No,
authentic hadith.
That is false. It is not an authentic hadith.
Prove it. Prove it. Prove it.
Okay.
That is
it's not according to it's not. You are not a scholar to say the false or not. You have to prove it from a scholar. Yalla.
David, I'm telling you, Quran. Now you're telling me somebody who you talking about.
So now, do you accept hadith or you reject hadith?
The Sahih hadith, I accept.
Okay, prove it. This hadith is not Sahih. It's not authentic.
Go back to the page and you're going to see Albani written there. Who is
prove it the hadith is not authentic.
What are you talking about?
If someone he don't like it, hello, Mr. Albani is a Shiite?
He is a mushabbih like you. He fell
What's
into
the mushabbih meaning in English?
Of likening Allah to the creation.
What's the mushabbih meaning in English?
Likening Allah to the creation.
Likening. So which means your Muhammad is not likening?
No, he did not.
Prove it for me.
He is the one who thought.
Prove it for me. Mister, why you on me? Why when I'm talking to ask you, you're talking over me?
When you finish,
why? So now you have to prove it to me from your scholars. This hadith is not authentic. You are not a scholar to tell me this hadith is not authentic.
Are you a scholar reading from Google?
No, I'm showing you the hadith.
Read from Google. That is, I said to you.
I'm showing you the hadith. Do you want me to show you the hadith from physical book? Mr. Google. Mr. Google. Mr. Google.
Memorize one hadith.
كبه شوي على المزبلة بس خلصت رجعوا. Not listening. So now we prove it for you from Quran. You denied Quran. You said no. From hadith. We bring hadith. You said this hadith is not authentic. Prove it this hadith is not authentic. You said you bring it from Google. I told you if I bring it for you from physical book. You didn't answer. You're just yelling. You're just yelling. You have nothing. Zero. You have nothing to do. Just yelling.
Yeah, Brother David, if you can open the physical book, because, you know, our Muslim friends never trust.
Wait, what he said? Albani.